It's all about the gardening. If you want a beautiful garden, what must you do? You need to spend more time in the garden. Only then will you understand which parts of the garden are fertile for growing and which parts are not. When you spend more time in your garden, you begin to get a sense of when to feed it, water it, what tools are needed, and what plants you would like in your garden, and so on. Someone once asked the famous Albert Einstein how he was able to solve some of the most complex problems around. He simply answered, "Because I spend more time with my problems." So, get engaged, get involved, get passionate about what it is you have to solve. Spend more time in the garden.